In this video, I'm going to create a QR code generator using AI and a simple prompt with a Workshop for Framer. Workshop for Framer enables you to create functional components simply by describing them, no coding required, and you can generate unlimited components that are ready to publish. And the components that are produced come with property controls, and you can also connect them to CMS. Additionally, you can also choose a preferred model, either Claude or GPT. Right, so here I have a landing page and I have two download buttons. On desktop, I'd like these popovers to have QR codes. However, instead of simply uploading a QR code image, I'm going to have these as QR code components. So to do that, I'm going to use Workshop to build my QR code generator. So to launch Workshop, I simply go Command K on Mac or Control K on Windows, and then I choose Workshop. And then I can, from here, I can choose my model. I'll leave it as GPT. I can upload a reference image. I'll leave it as it is. And then I'm going to use the simple prompt and submit that. And that generated my component. All right, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to adjust my size to be the same size as my placeholder. And if I view under the assets panel, I can see here is the code for the QR code component. So if I view that, I can see the code that was generated. So here I have my code. I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to place it within the overlay. So the size for the placeholder is 160 pixels. Paste it in there and remove the placeholder. And then I'm going to set this to 160. And then with that, I can simply hover and then I have my QR code. Workshop is great for generating simple components. However, more complex components may introduce errors that require a developer for further refinements or improvements.